This one has the Aralia leaves again. It has curled cane, heliconias, Mollucella balm and Dracaena leaves with moss and in a green ceramic container. The Aralia leaf is like the shape of your hand. It's very dominant. There's the heliconias, very strong in their colour, and you have chrysanthemums placed at the base in a clustered effect. Look at the height levels, how they work with each other. Notice that the leaf on the right has been trimmed. It's been cut in half so that it's not too strong. The way that the cane, the curling, is working down to the base, flowing right out to the leaves that I'm giving the direction to now, and into the very centre where we've got the bright yellow clustered or cushioned together and the line of the Mollucella balm. So you've got lots of directional patterns within this design. It's finished with moss, and the moss is quite visible above the leaf as a texture rather than an underneath finish. It's an interesting design, suited to corporate work or a modern home.